Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Duniya. I'm Anurag Tiwari and today we have an exciting topic that's been transforming the world of technology and creativity. Generative AI.
The term AI is an umbrella which includes different subcategories of AI, including generative AI. These subcategories are used to perform different tasks. For example, reactive machines are used in self driving cars, limited memory AI used in weather forecast, theory of mind used in chatbots to provide virtual customer experience, narrow AI used in auto generated customized product suggestions, mainly used in e commerce websites. Supervised learning AI identify objects like images or videos. Unsupervised learnings can detect fraudulent bank transactions, and reinforcement learning can teach a machine how to play a game. These are only few subcategories under the AI umbrella. Before we go into the details, let's understand what exactly the generative AI is. In simple terms, it is a type of artificial intelligence that's all about creating something new. Unlike the traditional AI that follows the predefined rules, generative AI has the ability to generate content on its own. Whether it is images, text, or even music, generative AI opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Now, let's decode the magic behind it. Generative AI often utilizes neural network, which are inspired by the human brains. These networks are trained on massive datasets, learning patterns, and the relationship between the data points. Consider a streaming system used by streaming services like Netflix. Generative AI employs neural networks is behind the scene learning from massive datasets, which includes user viewing history, user preferences, and content features. The neural networks learns the patterns and the relationship between various data points, enabling it to make personalized content recommendation to the users. The application of generative AI are mind blowing. You can create images, articles, books. The possibilities are endless. Natural language model is perhaps the well-known application of generative AI so far is Chat GPT. Most of the hype around text-based generative AI using a model called GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. GPT is a language AI application developed by OpenAI. The core and the most important feature of ChatGPT is to create human-like content generation on a large scale. Imagine you have a writing assistant who can write emails, articles, even a book for you without spending a single penny. That's the power of ChatGPT. Let's explore. You don't need to be a coding genius to start generative AI. ChatGPT can help you to write a simple code by a simple statement. Let's write a code for a wedding website, I'm writing a statement, simple statement, write a code for my wedding website, and here it is. You can see it took only 5 to 6 seconds or kind of few seconds to generate a template code for my wedding website. That's the power of AI. Let's try one more example. Let's try to write a resignation letter using a simple statement. See, I've added a simple statement that write a resignation letter, and you can see the template, and it took only few seconds. Let's try and find out the scale. I added write a book for me on generative AI, and see, it took few seconds to create the topics chapter wise, 10 chapters in few seconds. Chat GPT made available for public on 30th November 2022. It reached 1 million users less than a week. Yes, you heard it right. Less than a week. Let's explore few more AI tools which comes under the generative AI umbrella. So this is image example. I'm going to use my own image and try to update some description. Let's see. My image is already there. I'm going to use it. Let's add some description as well. Okay. I'm add some life, and let's improve the jawline as well. Improve jawline. Click on generate, and it will generate a 4-second video based on my description. So it is generating. You can see the progress bar. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now it is generated. We can click on play and see what's the result. Okay, so you can see based on my description, it is added some life. Now it is not the image, it transformed into the video, and obviously the improved jawline. This is the power of AI. Okay, so in this section, it is a music composition AI tool where you can create your composition using AI. If you see, this is the dashboard and these are the templates, the predefined one. We are going to use one of them and try to create our own music. Okay, so I'm going to use one of the template. Now let's hear it first. Okay, this is the original one. Okay, this is the real template. Though I'm not a music expert, but let's add some, I don't know these features, but let's add some random values. AB major, duration something, and number of composition is something. Okay, it will create number of composition based on this, right? So I'm going to create 2 composition. Okay, now you can see the progress bar. 1 composition is already created, second is in progress. Okay, Both are done. Let's hear it. Let's play the second one. This is the power of AI. Now I'm not a music expert, but I have used a template, added some value in it. I created two different composition in just few clicks. With great power comes great responsibilities. In the era of generative AI, we must also consider the challenges and the ethical considerations. Consider a company implementing a generative AI system for screening job applications. The AI system may unintentionally display biases despite its advanced abilities if the training data primarily reflects historical hiring trends that may have been biased itself. In this case, the difficulty to prevent existing biases, including gender or racial biases, from being maintained or amplified by the AI system, and resulting the discriminatory employment practices. When the business must examine and modify the algorithm to provide fairness and equal opportunity to all the candidates, ethical consideration come into the play. Ensuring that these systems are fair, unbiased, and used for the benefit of humanity is crucial. It is a topic we need to keep discussing as technology evolves. As we wrap up, let's talk about future as well. What's next for generative AI? Imagine a day in the future when software development will advance to the point where generative AI can help programmers create advanced coding parts. Development could drastically shorten the time and effort needed for the common coding jobs, speeding up the software development process. In this case, engineers may use generative AI to build standard code automatically, deals with repetitive coding patterns, and even recommend improved methods. This is not only enhance productivity but also allows developer to focus on more creative and critical aspect of software design. From improved model to the new applications, the future is bright. It is a thrilling time to be a part of the AI revolution. We are talking about everything from art and design to healthcare and finance. Generative AI is shaping future in a way we could not have imagined. Generative AI is not just transforming every profession, it is also reshaping our fundamental understanding of work itself. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more tech content, and also suggest us the topics you would like us to cover in future videos.